Hey everybody, Jeremy D. Williams here. I'm a 15-year master plumber and the owner of Regional Plumbing LLC here in Sabina, Natchitoches Parish. Today we're going to do a product review. And the product we're going to be reviewing is the Fluid Master Universal Everything Toilet Tank Repair Kit. Tools included, it says. So Fluid Master is a good brand. I trust them. They make a good product. Been using it for over 20 years. It's probably the brand that I'm going to bring to your house whenever we have to repair your toilet tank. The thing is, tools included, I have my doubts. I've replaced a lot of tank guts in my day. But we're going to give it an honest review. I'm going to get dressed out, go to the job site. You can follow along with me as I try to put this in and see if it is as advertised. Okay, so here's the package. Let's unbox it and see what we've got in there. Standard fill valve. We've got this little tool here, which I am guessing is for the flush valve, to mount the flush valve to the tank. We have a flush valve with a flapper. We have an extra gasket for a Kohler toilet. Most Kohler products are proprietary, so that's why they include it. And that's what we're working on here today. This is going to be a Kohler. Standard tank handle. Bolts, washers. And this tool. I imagine it's supposed to be a universal tool. We'll see how good it is at taking off old closet bolts off of the tank. So we'll get started. Okay, so one tool I did bring was a bucket, but I'm not going to count that. So we won't hold it against Fluid Master. These are the guts that we're going to be replacing. So we have a 2-flush system here. One for a big flush, one for a little flush. It's supposed to be a water saver. Hasn't quite worked right. We're going to take all this out, replace everything that is inside this tank, make everything, all the working parts of this toilet will be brand new now. Okay, and so here is where I finally ran into the trouble. And it's on this back nut. So Kohler has 3. One on the other side, there's another, and then this back one. And this back one's always the trouble one. And you see the tool that they put in here just won't get on that nut to finally tighten it up. You would have a leak. We would have a leak right here. So I'm going to have to go and get an opening wrench to get that back nut tight. It did fairly good getting it off, but it's got to be tight. So, final thoughts on the Fluid Master all-in-one kit. Good product. All the items in there are good quality. I've used that brand for years, so I trust it. Was it exactly what was advertised on the box? No, it wasn't. You know, at the big box store, some things are just made for you to buy, not really made to work as they're advertised. This was one of them. We had to have a 1/2-inch box-end wrench to get the job done. If we wouldn't have went and got that, we would have had a leak on the back of the toilet. It would have damaged the floor. It would have damaged the wall. But yeah, I recommend the product. I would also recommend getting a professional to install it for you. So I hope you enjoyed this product review. Again, my name is Jeremy D. Williams. I'm the owner of Regional Plumbing here in Sabine and Natchitoches Parish. I put out these videos for educational purposes, maybe some tips to help save you some money on some service costs in the future. I also put out some for some of my apprentices as training videos. You can find us on YouTube. We're also on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. If you ever need our services, I have a CSR standing by. Give her a call. We'd love to come out there and give you 5-star service. It's what we do best. Thanks again for watching.